Hope you are fine. Today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 4, page number 14, and today's topic is adjectives formation. Here it is written, some adjectives are formed simply by adding the letter Y to a noun. Here examples: cloud, cloudy, mold, moldy, marsh, marshy. We know what is adjectives and we know what is noun. We know a name of anything is called a noun, and adjective is a word which describes specially noun. So it also describes pronoun because pronoun stands instead of a noun. So here in this place we are getting some rules where adjectives are being formed from nouns. So here first one we have read. Now second one means second rule. When the nouns ends with E, this letter is dropped before the Y is added. Here see shed, shady, it means E is dropped, Y is added here. Same thing smoke, smoky, E is dropped, here Y is added. Juice, E is dropped, Y is added. Last one means third number rule. Here it is written, when Y is added to some nouns, the last letter is doubled. In this place, sun, sunny. See here the word is finished with an, but when it has become an adjective, that time n has become doubled and we have added here Y. Same thing mud, muddy, stir, sturdy. So after reading this, we will do some exercises and you should keep remember all the exercises are depends on these three rules. So let's do. Here a number exercise, it's written, use the adjective formed from the noun in bold type to fill each space. Copy the phrases in your book. I am not copying, I am just filling the blank. You will do this at your home. Here see a material covered with fluff. Here I will add just Y with this bold letter. So it will be a fluffy material. Next one, see 2 number. Here it is written a voice with a squeak, a dash voice. I will just add Y with this word. So a squeaky voice. So write it here, squeaky voice. Next one, 3 number, foods containing much starch. So it will be starchy food. 4 number, a man of great wealth, a wealthy man. Next one, a morning with much frost. So it will be a frosty morning. B number exercise, C. Insert in each space the adjective formed from the noun in bold type. Remember to drop the final E. So we will follow this rule. See in this place it's written, when the nouns ends with E, this letter is dropped before the Y is added. So we will follow these rules. Let's do. A path with many stones. So it will be stony, up, stony path. So we will write here a stony. What we have done, we have dropped this E and we have added Y. So we will follow same thing rest of the question. So here in which there is a web, so it will be wavy here. Next one, dishes covered with grease. So it will be greasy dishes. Greasy dishes. A day when a breeze is blowing. So it will be a breezy day. Next one, a dinner with a nice taste. It will be a tasty dinner, a tasty dinner. A beach covered with pebbles. So it will be lively beach. C number C. Here it is written, form the adjectives from the noun in bold type to fill each space. Remember to double the final letter. So here we are following third number, this C. When Y is added to some nouns, the last letter is doubled. So here see, here what we will do, here we will double the last letter, which one is bold type in the question, and after that we will add Y. So let's start. See, first one, an animal covered with fur. So it will be a furry animal, a furry animal. A sound like that of teen, so it will be teeny sound. Next one, wood full of knots. So here will be knotty, so wood. Land which is largely bog, so it will be what? It will be boggy land. A speech containing much wit, so it will be a witty speech. Next one, a hand which is more skin than flesh, it will be a skinny hand, skinny hand. D number exercise. Now, from the adjective from the noun in bold type, you need to remember all the rules for forming adjectives for this exercise. Means the rules what we had read first time, these three rules we will do, or we will try to use, or we have to use these three rules in this exercise, means to finish this exercise. So let's do here. First one, roads covered in ice. At last here is E, so we know there was one rule. If we find at last there is E, we will make its adjective form after dropping the last letter E, and then we will add Y. So here it will be icy roads. Same way we will do here. Here like where, so this one will be dropped and we will write here very here. 3 number, a complexion with spots. So here it will be what? This is the last rule. Here we will double the last letter, means T, will drop it and we will add Y. So it will be spotty, spotty complexion. Sunshine through haze. So what will be? So easy, this one will be dropped. Here we will do hazy sunshine. A beach of sand. Here what will be? Here will be sand, will be sandy. First rule, it has followed the first rule, sandy beach. A morning of fog, so it will be a foggy morning. So there one interesting thing we have done, we have made here adjectives from nouns. So it is so easy, you know the definition of adjectives. I told it before, adjective is a word which describes nouns. So when we are adding some words or we are dropping some words and after that we are adding some words, that time this noun is going to become an adjective. So this will be helpful for your future life. Try to keep remember this forever. Today up to this, next day we will do page number 15 and there we will find the topic that is nouns formation, and there we will form the noun from verb. Bye for today.